Okay, good morning, great and fellows.
Good morning, Sir Megabon.
Okay, before we will start our class, let's ask guidance first. Okay, someone will lead us in prayer.
We say in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Lord, thank you so much for arriving us in this school early, for giving us new wisdom, and I hope this wisdom will be used in our daily lives. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Father, of the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Okay, before you take your seat, then pick up pieces of paper under the chairs. The bags must be under the table. Arrange your chairs properly, and after that, you may now take your seat. Okay, you're welcome. Okay, good morning everyone and welcome to our science class. Okay, today we will talk continuation of our another gas law. Okay, without further ado, my name is Sir Gabon and I will be your teacher for today's period. Okay, now thumbs up everyone if you can hear me well. Okay, thumbs down. Now for the checking of attendance, the table who is absent today. Okay, class secretary, can you take note these are absent today? How about group 2 is absent today? Okay, now how about group 3? How about group 4? Okay, very good. How about group 5? Okay, wala. Very good. How about group 6? Okay, Jasper. So class secretary, can you take note who are absent today? Okay, but since the mayor are absent, so you deserve, okay, the 13 o'clock. Okay? So this is how we are going to do it. So I will demonstrate it first and after that we will do it together. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, very good. Now for the classroom rules, be reminded with this one or this abbreviation to dance. Okay, D stands for, get together, 1, 2, 3, go. The A stands for
Always show respect.
N stands for C stands for
Come prepared.
and lastly E stands for
Enjoy the class.
okay. Just remember this abbreviation for dance. Okay, we literally know Saya class, but with this abbreviation for our classroom rules. Additional reminder class, if you want to answer, just raise your hand and voice out the answer. If the group akong gitawag ng answer, okay, the members of the group ang mo answer. Okay, just wait for your turn sa inyong grupo ang answer. Am I understood waited for us?
Yes, sir.
Okay. With that, let's start our class with a recapitulation. Okay. Now, what are the things, no? Unsa man kada itong gibuhat yesterday? Or unsa man itong gas law ang ato ang conductor yesterday? Okay, plans. Okay, where's that Charles law? Okay, after Charles law, what else? Or what other gas law na ato ang gi-tackle? Okay, somewhere.
The other gas law called Boy's Law.
Okay, boys. Okay, very good. Now, kinsa lang to ang naa relationship with each other? What are the variables na naa relationship with each other? Can you give one group 1? Pressure, very good. How about group 2? Pressure, hindi sa matalapihan ko ka-partner ni pressure. Okay, volume, very good. Now, what is the relationship with pressure and the volume sa Boyle's law? Okay, group 4. Inversely proportional, very good. What do you mean by inverse? Okay, group 4. Group 3. Inverse, meaning kung mataas si pressure sa may tabo ni volume. Okay, mo increase, very good. So inverse, meaning kung dahil mataas na usa, ang usa magamay. Okay, so meaning sa pressure mataas, si volume mataas. How about kung si volume ang mataas? Kung sa may tabo ni pressure, group 5. Kung si volume mataas, si pressure? Will decrease, very good. So that is what being meant by inversely proportional. Meaning, if may usang magpataas, okay, ang usa, magpaubos sa siya, and vice versa. Okay, now, who is the component of Boyle's law. Minsan ang happy na ma-discover ni Boyle's law. Okay, ikaw yung dialogue, sir. Okay, Robert Boyle, very good. Now, kung sa man to na experiment, ang iyang gamit ay to prove na si pressure o si volume na ano yung relationship sa usa. Okay, kanina Julian. Okay, J-tube experiment. Okay, so yung J-tube experiment class, na-prove niya na si pressure and si volume na ay relationship sa usag-usa. Okay, now, he also mathematically expressed that potential equation. Now, what is the equation for Boyle's law? Okay, inihan. Okay, France.
P sub 1 times P sub 1 plus P sub 2 times P sub 2.
Okay, very good. So that's how we are going to express in mathematical equation Boyle's law. Again, P sub 1 over V sub 1 equals P sub 2 over V sub 2. Now, can we do it together? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
P sub 1 minus V sub 1 equals P sub 2 minus V sub 2.
Okay, don't forget this one. Okay. Now, are you ready for your class today?
Yes.
Okay, now copy me if you're ready. Copy me if you're ready. And now copy me if you're ready. Okay, since you're all ready with our class today, let's start our class with the simple activity called the log test. Okay, now here class. Okay? So I will be asking questions, and what you're going to do is that you will raise your hand if nakarelate ka sa question. And after that, I will share your experience or kung sa mga kayo mong insights about that question. Okay? Am I understood Braden Porox? Okay, now, the first question is, have you ever felt like love can be overwhelming sometimes? Okay, isa ang nakarelate na nito. Overwhelming meaning, like, ma-inlove ka na kasi in-love ka ba? Natamaan minsan, sa araw ni Cupido. Ako pala di, I fell in love. Ay, magaan. And how about the second question? Okay. Overwhelming to the point like when someone is always around, it can feel a bit too much. Okay, for example, ang inuuyak ka ron, no? Isapot ka, no? I-console kasi mo uyak, no? Patatahanin unta, o sige, isuhan pa kasi mo uyak, no? Di sa not ang ibang sapot. Okay, isa may nakataya ng situation. Intas, i-ease ang inyong nararamdaman, di sa mo tan ng tas mga partner. So, nakapila na. Wala, di ate mga single di tanan, no? Yes! Okay. The second situation is, however, class, kung mag-start na silang palayo silang pagalingon, no? Kung mag-start tayo palayo ang inyong partner, dala ka nga point, no? Nalinawan na niloon, no? Kamay yung kutukutuhon, no? Kapag nga pa, wala lang i-embrace, no? Wala lang i-love, no? Kasabot-sabot pa kailang Mr. Princess. Ang angkod sila, kaya makasapot na kayo, tapos i-ease kita ko niya, o muna, isamagan na niloon. Pero kung itong pagwala na, biminaw na ko niya, sir. Pwede ko balik ka diri. Hago-hago ka diri. Iring-iring ka diri. Pagwaan sa iring-iring. Okay. Okay, I guess for this way, hindi na nakatraya din tanan. No? Sige, ato na lang ikuhan si Sir, na nakatraya din tanan. Okay, now, tanong din together. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Love and relationships can be a lot like buses. Just like how pressure and volume also affect each other. Love can feel intense when there's not much space, and it can feel distant when there's too much room.
Okay, now let's explore this idea with a love story. Okay, isa mga love story, no? Kung naang kay magpasuko-suko, magpasapot-sapot, pero kung wala na, linaw na, kita ka nga love story dito. Okay, now our topic for today is Boyle's law. Okay, a consideration of our topic for today, and here's the learning objective that we will attain for today. Since now, naabay naman ito na ang tulo, so ang kanina na magpabiling na learning objective ang kami attain today. Now, can you read it together? 1, 2, 3, go!
Perform an experiment to demonstrate Boyle's law using a syringe without a needle.
Okay, now let's have another activity called Liam and Valerie, A Love Under Pressure. Okay, so this is a group activity. Okay, because after watching the video, you will answer by group. Okay, so this will be group 1, this will be group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5, and group 6. Okay, now are you ready to watch the video? Okay, please take note of the necessary information. And here's the questions, no? That we will answer on after we will watch the video. Can you read? Question number 1, group 1 and group 2. Go.
What happened to Valerie when Liam started getting too close?
Okay, how about number 2, group 3 and group 4? Go.
How did she deal with the pressure increase in their relationship?
How about group 5 and group 6, number 3? Go.
What happened when Liam gave her space?
Okay, thumbs up, group 5 and group 6. Maklaro ra ang PBT. Okay, very good. Thumbs down. Now, all together, let's read number 4. 1, 2, 3, go.
How does this relate to classes and boys' school?
Okay, kindly take note these guide questions because we will answer later on after we watch the video. Okay, now, here's the video presentation in 3, 2, 1, go.
Liam and Valerie met in a coffee shop. He was reading poetry and she was sketching. They clicked instantly. Their relationship was easy. They had fun together, but respected each other's space. Liam loved to hike. Valerie enjoyed painting. They pursued their hobbies. They shared their experiences. Life was good. As they fell deeper in love, Liam became clingy. He wanted to spend every moment with Valerie. At first, Valerie found it sweet, but soon it became too much. She felt suffocated, like Liam was always there. Liam would get upset if Valerie wanted time alone. He'd question her love, making her feel guilty. Their once easy laughter is replaced by arguments. Valerie felt trapped, her own needs ignored. One day Valerie decided she needed a break. She booked a weekend trip just for herself. Liam was devastated. He pleaded with her not to go, but Valerie stood firm. She needed space to breathe. The weekend away was exactly what Valerie needed. She painted, hiked, and reconnected with herself. When she returned, she saw Liam with fresh eyes. She loved him, but she also loved her independence. Liam and Valerie talked. They realized that love needs balance, just like gases. Too much pressure, like Liam's clinginess, overwhelms. Too much space creates distance and coldness. They learned to respect each other's need for alone time while still nurturing their love. Liam went back to hiking, Valerie to her art. They found joy in sharing their passions, stronger for the space they gave each other.
And now, okay, I hope they nasabtan sa video. Okay, now let's, okay, in your group, okay, come up na unanimous answer based on kung right question. Okay, but I think ma-understand mo kayo po, no? Ang video ng anong iwan. And now for the first question, can you read it together? 1, 2, 3, go.
What happened to Valerie when Liam started getting too close?
Okay, now let's start with group 3. So, ito na yung tabo ni Valerie. The moment na si Liam, ni grabe ang iyang kaklingi. Imagine, no? Ganahan siya pero may makita sa iyang sign, si Valerie. Like, every minute, every second, no? Kung asa si Valerie, at tukod siya. Bakit? Magsiya si Valerie. Kung niya sa lang bawal, pakintanay, ihapon, no? Bakit? Malikot si Valerie. Hindi siya a long time. Nagating hobby si Valerie, right? She loves drawing, now painting. Okay. So, munang ilang a long time or me time. Okay? Now, what will happen to respect ni Lia? Okay, what do you think? Kung tinitabo based sa video, okay? Ikaw daw. Okay, very good. Isang group lang si Valerie. Okay, nakapil siya pressure. Okay? Very good. How about for question number 2? Let's read it all together. 1, 2, 3, go.
How did she feel when the pressure increased in their relationship?
Okay, kung sa mga kahatuloy, response, no, ni Valerie, after nakapil na siya of steep pressure sa ilang relationship. Take note, healthy to, unhealthy lang relationship. Unhealthy na. Kung pag-start na healthy pa, okay pa akong Valerie, no? But nagkadugay, no, parang nag-unhealthy naman. Okay, let's have group 4, okay, group 4. Kung sa mga respond, kung sa mga feel ni Valerie, no, the moment na nag-pressure siya. Siya, nalipay siya o wala? Wala, kasi matayin na buhat based sa video. Okay, nag-book siya flight. Before siya nag-book ng flight, Nag-away ba sila o wala? Based sa video. Yes, nag-away na. Nakita niyo sa video na nag-away din sila. Okay, now how about for question number 2? Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, go.
What happened when Liam gave her space?
Okay. Okay, this is group 4. Nag-group to ticket. Si Valerie. Okay, para na siya space. Okay. But kung sa may naitabo, no? Sa pressure, the moment na si Valerie, okay, o si Liam, nagtigaan space si Valerie. Okay, group 1. Sa mga naitabo ni Valerie, the moment na nagtigaan siya space ni Liam. Okay, nakaginawa siya, no? Bilang nito kasi mana? Okay, 1 week din siya nga nakita ni Liam, no? Nagpalayo siya sa Liam, no? Palayo sa problema, no? Palayo sa problema. So, meaning kasi, the moment na nagpalayo siya, wala siya naka-feel of pressure. Meaning, ang ilang space together, okay? Meaning, ang ilang space, nagka-increase, ang pressure sa nagka-decrease. Okay, very good. How about for question number 4 all together? 1, 2, 3, go.
How does this relate to gases and moisture?
Okay, that's group 2. Okay, friends. How are you going to relate? Okay, based sa situation ni Liam and Valerie sa Boyle's Law.
When volume increases, pressure increases at the same time if giving sa volume increase ka na magubad sila ko as it's like for niya pressure para ma-moderate increase di ba itong nilay siya na siya apply for 1 week ko kay volume at increase so pressure decrease.
Okay, very good. Okay, take note class sa Boyle's Law class. Okay, when pressure increases, volume decreases. So, can you show your hands to me? Sige, ano daw? Okay, para po show sa balik na ito ma-remember si Boyle's Law. Okay, you will have this ana-ana mga pa. Okay, hands, ang sa kay up, ang sa kay pa down. Okay, and vice versa. Sige, ana. Okay. That means that Boyle's Law has been if tayo usa naman pataas, ang usa mag-upwards and vice versa. Please remember that one. Okay, am I understood guys in paradox?
Yes, sir.
Okay, since you really understood now, okay, Boyle's Law, okay, now let's deepen your understanding. Okay, let's have a question. Now, based sa video, okay, na inyong na-watch. Okay, the first question is, which part of the story does the inverse relationship occur? Asa man ito let's start? Let's start with this one. With pressure increase, volume decrease. Asa man ito napita sa life story ni Liam o ni Valerie? Okay, group 6.
Liam experienced how Valerie said, nakafelt or pressure si Valerie na sa mga
Okay, very good. Katong the moment na si Liam na-start o kakinini. Nabili na healthy sa feeling ni Valerie. Okay, when Liam was always around, volume decrease, Valerie felt pressure or pressure increase. Okay, can you read the first bullet? 1, 2, 3, go.
The air particles inside have less space to move, so they collide more often and push harder against the walls.
Okay, very good. Remember class that glass are kinetic. Okay? Kinetic meaning they love to move. Okay? Pwede luhab, huwag lubot, kailangan laban sa gas molecules. And another thing class for gas molecules, makapil siya of pressure gas whenever increase pressure kung ang volume mo decrease. Okay? That's another one thing. Now for the second bullet. 1, 2, 3, go.
This is similar to squeezing an empty bottle. As the volume decreases, the pressure inside increases.
Okay, you still remember that on the squeezing bottle, not an important sa pong activity? Okay, so same at ang situation na nahitabo pang Liam and Valerie. Okay, great concept. Remember at concept temperature, decreasing volume increases pressure. Okay, how about the second question? Okay, when pressure decrease, volume increase. Asan ko nakita na hitabo sa love story ni Liam o Valerie? Okay, any hands? Again. Okay. When pressure decrease, hindi na ka-increase mo ito, volume, pressure increase, volume. Okay. Julian.
Nakakatulong si Valerie kay nag-book of flight sa for 1 week para lang ma-enjoy nila ang related kung nila balik yung sa dito na nakita ang pressure na decrease.
Okay, very good. Okay, with that, give a 5. Okay, then Julian. Okay, siya may isip, no? Okay, siya na okay, here. Okay, very good. William gave space, volume increase, Valerie felt at ease as pressure decrease. So, the moment na nag-book siya ticket mo, meron siya na, lubayan ko muna ang poliya. Okay, kailangan ko mapag-isa. Kailangan ko muna hanapin ang aking sarili. Asa man dyan naglaga ako kawalingon. Pero kalang ni Valerie, no? Sana all na ipag-book, no? Because dahil lang dapat, basta ma-stress, no? Okay, magpa-Hong Kong, no? Mag-spalain, Water Beach, no? Mag-nature trip kita, ma-stress ka, Calero Ragyot, no? Marina Ragyot, bumuli Apollo Ragyot, no? So at least, napaka-release sa stress, no? Okay, the gas particles class, remember gas particles are kinetic, have more space to move, so they collide less frequently with the walls. Okay, this is also similar class sa sa empty pattern na ito ang squeeze, the moment na itong ibubulikan. Di ba di-valid to rise yung original na volume? Okay, very good. So, a key concept, let's read it all together. 1, 2, 3, go.
At a constant temperature, increasing volume decreases.
Okay, take note guys, sa itong hand formation na ito ha. Okay, can you show your hands again? Okay, Anna, okay, up and down, and vice versa. Okay, meaning if like, may magkataas mo sa, ang sa mag-pause, and vice versa. Meaning, okay, the relationship again is inversely proportional. Okay, now you have any questions, clarifications so far? Okay, none? Now since you don't have any questions, now let's check your understanding, okay, by having this experiment. Okay, let's evaluate. Okay, so our experiment for today is called pressure and versus volume as a range experiment. And here are the 5 questions that we will answer later on sa our experiment. Can you read the 5 questions all together? 1, 2, 3, go.
As you hold the blender, does it become easier or harder? Why?
Okay, how about question number 2?
As you hold the blender, what do you feel?
How about question number 3?
Cover the lip of the syringe. What happens to the drop air when volume decreases?
Okay, very good. How about question number 4?
What happens to the drop air when volume increases?
Okay, very good. How about question number 5?
How does this experiment relate to Moore's law?
Okay, so those are the necessary questions or that questions that we will answer later on after you will have the experiment. Okay, so I will be distributing to you class, okay, a cell range. Okay, wala ni middle term. Oh, di tanda ng middle class, di ba? Since kasama ang tanong, masalulan niya ta. Okay, and I will also be distributing to you class, okay, in third group, a manila paper and a worksheet, a pencil pen, and also a cell range. Okay. Here's the guide question, class. Okay, naroon ang guide question dito ha. Here's the cell range. Okay, and here's your pencil pen. Okay, you may now start answering class. We will group after you receive the necessary materials. Okay, for group 5 and 6, and here's the the worksheet. Okay, and here's the cell range. Okay, and here's the cell range. Okay, I will give you, okay, 5 minutes, okay, to answer everything. Okay, based yung worksheet. Okay, just answer directly, okay, and briefly, direct to the point. Okay, you class, ano ang bini class lang, buhay ay di karera. Okay, but since I'm only given 5 minutes, so after the song, finish or unfinished, I will check your answers. Okay, am I understood within paragraphs?
Yes, sir.
Okay, your 5 minutes starts now. Okay, if you have any questions, just raise your hand para mag-guide you, sir. Okay, make sure ang iyong carbon ay bawsan sa experiment. Okay, very good. Group 6. Okay, very good. Okay, may I ask, ano na plunger. Ay, para makabay ng classmates, parang ba? Hindi representative of the baro. Sige, show sa mga classmates ang naitabo sa plunger. Sige, baro ba? Show sa mga classmates. Julian, baro. Show sa mga classmates ang plunger. Sige, sa inyo. Okay, group 1, baro. Show sa mga classmates. Yes, really understood now the topic. Ang first, relax. Okay? Ang second, ito na natin kabulan. Kaya pala sa ang agad ko siya sa preparation mo. Pwede na mo magsasanong na rin. Okay. Good one. What's the status right now? Okay, almost done. Group 2, almost done. Group 3, almost done. Very good. Group 4, almost done. Group 5 and 6, almost done. Group 6, almost done. Okay. Okay, what's the status right now? Group 1? Okay, sige, I'll give you another 1 minute. 1 more minute. Okay, group 2. Okay, 1 more minute. Okay, group 3. Okay, almost done. Number 5 na sila. Group 4. Okay, sige, bawi group 4. Group 5, what's the status? Okay, almost done. Okay, group 6. Okay, here. If you're done class, okay. Okay. I didn't take your proper seat, everyone. Okay, clap once if you can hear me well. Clap twice if you can hear me well. Clap twice if you can hear me well. Okay, very good. So this is how you're going to pace it. Okay, this is for group 1, 2, and 3. Then 4, 5, and 6. Okay. So if you're done, so you will now proceed in placing your answers. Okay, what group is this? Okay, group 1, group 2. But I don't want the group number. Okay, group number ang inyong kuhan. Di ba tayo group number ay? Kalimut mo mo group number. Di ba tayo group number? Di ba? And please bring with you during the presentation ang inyong syringe. Dali na kayo na. Yes. Okay, after that, you're gonna take your seat after you're done facing your answers. Ang group 3 sa group 4. Okay, now, kindly select a representative from your group, no? To report the answers. No, what are your observations, no? During your experiment. Okay, now let's start with, okay, group 6. Group 6 back. Okay, this procedure is fun. Okay, the syringe class will serve as your basis class. Okay, the syringe will serve as your basis. Okay, here's something. Will serve as your basis. Okay, para mag-prove yun natin madali sa question volume, no? Ano sa relationship to sa isa? Okay, now, let's read the question class. Okay, for group 6. Okay, for question number 1, all together, 1, 2, 3, go.
As you should wonder that Jessica is here or
Okay,
higher.
push button. Somewhere.
So everyone heard the group 6. Now we're going to demonstrate the experiment. First is, the question was, as a push-up plunger, does it become easier or harder? But what if it was sealed? If you push the plunger, it will become the pressure increases, so it will become harder. But when the tip is open and you push it, it will become smooth because of the trapped air that will let out inside the syringe or container.
Okay, very good. So what happened now to the pressure as you push?
Open up the syringe and answer the question, the pressure increases. If you close the pressure, naman ang statement ang boils down. Other than the volume increases, pressure decreases.
Okay, very good. So therefore, na-prove nila na inverse relationship sa atong experiment. Okay. You also have the same observation with group 6. Okay, thumbs up that we have the same observation with group 6. Okay, very good. Now, okay, based on group 6, okay, na-state nila na ay naging relationship na, nag-use pa sa illustration with this one. So meaning, that inverse relationship can approve nila. Okay, let's give a hand to group 6. Okay, now let's proceed with group 2. Okay, group 2. Can you share to us, okay, yung sa ninyo pag-answer, pag-prove ang points for using the syringe?
So for the question number 1, I asked the push of plunger does it become easier? So first, ang among gibuhat kay wala pa nang magitabunan ng tip. So if mo siya i-push, dali na sa siya. If mo siya i-pull, dali na sa siya. But when you cover the tip of the syringe, it become harder to push and it become harder to pull. Kay if mo siya i-cover, tapos mo siya i-push, dila mo balik kay yapon siya. So for the, and also for the question number 2.
Okay, here na lang ulit. Okay, what happened as you cover the tip na you push? What happened to the pressure?
The pressure becomes constant.
How about the volume? Okay, very good. Remember class, ang iyong syringe class, na siya yung volume. Okay, na siya yung ang ilhanan na ang volume may increase or may decrease. Okay, if you will have it this way, ang volume nag-start dari from 1. And if you have it this way, ang volume na sa 10. So meaning, ma-measure gini mo ang volume increase mo sa decrease. Okay? How about, Julian, when you pull? Okay, what happened now to the volume and pressure? Super like this. Yes, sir. Pull ni mo. What happened to the pressure?
Pressure kay decrease the volume kay decrease.
Very good. So meaning, na-prove po nila na ay relationship with pressure and volume. Okay, what's that relationship? Okay, plus 2 proportion. Okay, let's give a hand to group 0. So let's check the three-more answer. Okay, now we got the last group na lang ta. Let's have group 4. And group 4 na kapag dugay sila ng human. Sige, in-representative ang group 4. Sige, ikaw na lang hindahin. Okay. Show to us your answer using the syringe. Okay, para mag-prove ginagawa na accurate. No? Okay. Just show to us. Okay, first, okay, push the plunger, wala pa nakaka-cover ang tip. Okay, push. Okay, so easy na kasi mas no. How about you pull the plunger na wala pa tip, wala pa i-cover ng tip. Easy as that. Okay, very good. Now, how about push the plunger but this time i-cover ang tip sa syringe. Okay. Was it easy or not? Hard, okay? Asa mo na feeling mo sa as you push? Sa man, gahi. Okay, gahi. So meaning, pressure is present there. Okay. Now, what's the status of pressure? Sa man, increase or decrease? Increase, kaya nakatuloy mo ka, dahil na siya i-push. Okay? How about the volume? Okay, very good. Since ang pressure increase, meaning si volume may decrease. Okay, you can really say nga si volume increase, like here, that's 1 here. And here is 10. Okay. How about when you pull the plunger? Okay. How is the pressure now? Increase or decrease? Decrease. And how is the volume? Okay, very good. Increase. So meaning, pressure and volume is inversely proportional to each other. Okay, so meaning may also ang itaas, pressure, so volume go down, and vice versa. Now, do you have any questions, clarifications? Okay, very good. So meaning, another way, mag-approve natin si Belstar is with this syringe experiment. Okay, I hope ang kanan na nakapag syringe, approve din ninyo na present yun sa Belstar. Now, any questions, clarifications? Okay, mag-exam siya nakatubag? Nakatubag, it's because, okay, na-apply na din nato ato ang, okay, topic for today. Now, okay, before we have the examination class, assessment, let's read this first. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Love is like gas. It needs the right amount of space to take just right.
Too much pressure and
And it becomes overwhelming.
too much distance and it starts to fade away.
So
Whether in love or science,
balance is key.
okay, remember balance. Okay, now, when you have 1/4 sheet of paper with you, okay. Okay, now, okay, number your papers from 1 to 10. 1 to 10. Okay. 1 to 10. Okay, here guys, before kita mag-proceed, no, ay para siya maka-remember pa ka, kasi naitabo. Okay, so this is what happens guys, okay, sa atong experiment sa syringe. Okay. Okay, here na lang. Okay, pupunta na lang ako yung class ha. Okay, here class. Okay, here sa experiment nato kanina class, okay, syringe, okay, let's say na kanin siya na illustration is the syringe. Okay, so as you push, okay, the plunger glass, ang sila sa gas molecules. Remember, gas molecules are kinetic. So meaning, okay, ang volume plus will decrease. And what happens to the gaseous glass is that they collide with each other. The moment they collide with each other, pressure builds up. So pressure increases. Okay. But as you pull the plunger glass, what happens there? Okay. Since volume increase naman siya glass, okay, so dapat ako ng space, no? Na makamove si gas molecules. Okay, so meaning, less ang tendency glass na magka-collide sila. So, less ang tendency, meaning ang pressure will increase. Okay, volume increase, pressure decrease. Pressure increase, volume decrease. Okay, that's how Bell's is being illustrated there. Okay, now, okay, are you ready for that assessment today?
Yes.
Okay, now let's have, okay, please read instruction. Okay? Letters only. Okay, let's have number 1. Okay. Okay, letters only class. Sabi na kayo na ulit. Mention na kayo na kanina. Okay, number 2. Ano ng equipment ang itigamit ang proof ng present si Bell's law. Okay, now let's have number 3. Okay, tapos sa magic bubble room na story. Ito, the moment we squeeze the bottle. So, ang dami na itapos dito. Same na sa sinanang class, syringe. Pwede ka kinapiyungan. How about for number 4? A correct formula for Boyle's law. Now let's have number 5. Now let's have number 6. So what's the relationship in pressure and in volume? Let's have number 7. Remember, sa ilang relationship, analyze ka ng question. Okay, number 8. Okay, for number 9 and 10. Okay, so we're gonna tapos sa air inside when you push the plunger while the tip is sealed. Okay, now for number 9 and 10 is an essay time. I write the answers briefly, direct to the point, but comprehensively. For number 9, mathematical equation. For number 10, words. Expressed in words. Words in a way, no? So the relationship nila. Yung sa pagka may tabo sa usag-usag. Okay. Opens up. And now let's exchange your papers clockwise by table. Okay, all papers now. In a count of 3. By table. Okay, 1, 2. By table. 3. Okay, right corrected by. Okay, checker, you're responsible na kung naay mga clarifications si owner sa iyang paper. Right corrected by. Ano ba yan? I cannot check. Okay, now let's check your answers. Let's have number 1. Can you read? Number 1 question, 1, 2, 3, go.
Who discovered the relationship between pressure and volume?
The answer is letter B. It was named after him. Robert Boyle. Mawag tawag siya Boyle's Law. Kaya niyang last name mo gigamit to name the gas law. How about for number 2? 1, 2, 3, go.
What component did Robert Boyle use in his experiment to study the relationship between pressure and volume?
Okay, the answer is letter B. A J-shaped tube and mercury. O nang yung experiment na gigamit. Okay? Okay. Ini voltmeter. Ini color of pen. How about for number 3? 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, what happened? The answer is letter C. Lily and Max felt a stronger push from the air. Okay, same thing sa kanang illustration natin dira. Or sa kanang science experiment. How about for number 4? 1, 2, 3, go.
What is the correct formula for Boyle's law? B1.
Okay, what's the formula?
B times the
B sub 1
equals B sub 2
times B sub 2. Okay, very good. Remember class, ang ilang subscript magka-open. Subscript 1 represents initial, question, volume. Subscript 2 represents final, question, volume. For number 5, 1, 2, 3, go.
What happens to the pressure inside a glass-filled container when its volume decreases at constant temperature? B. The pressure increases.
Okay, very good. The pressure decreases. Nga naman class, ay ang pressure, okay, volume. Ang iyong probability class, ang volume decreases. So since vice versa man, ay inversely proportional man, ang iyong relationship to meaning, kung si volume decrease, si pressure increase. Or na siya. How about for number 6? 1, 2, 3, go.
What relationship did Boyle's experiment demonstrate between pressure and volume? B. They are inversely proportional.
Okay, very good. Again, inversely proportional ang relationship. For number 7, okay, go.
In Boyle's experiment, when pressure was doubled, what happened to the volume of the trapped gas?
Okay, here. Okay, very good. But here, class, okay, here is an analogy. Okay, so meaning, it's the pressure na double. Okay, so na may double the volume. Okay, lahat. Remember, they're inversely proportional to each other. Okay, so that's just letter C. For number 8, 1, 2, 3, go.
A cylinder is filled with air, and its plunger is pushed while the magnet is sealed.
And what happens to the air pressure inside the ring?
B. The pressure increases as the volume
Okay, very good. So, imo kang gigabiran, imo gi-push. Okay, as you notice, harder to push na siya. So, meaning, ang pressure na build up. So, that means, ang pressure increase and volume decreases. How about for number 9 and number 10? Okay, for number 9, the mathematical equation of Boyle's law. So, the answer will be B1 times B1 equals B2 times B2. So, same o subscript class. Magka-open ang subscript. Okay, that's 1 point. For number 10, okay, the answer will be at constant temperature, increasing volume, decreases pressure. Okay, and pwede na sa siya class na when pressure increase, volume decreases and vice versa. Or inversely proportional, take it as a type. Okay, any questions? Okay, now, okay, write the scores. Okay, sa mga classmate. Okay, after that, okay, wala any questions about check? Okay, now the tones papers to the owner in a count of 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, owner, kindly check. Example ba na ang pag-check? Checker. Okay, wait lang. Okay, any questions, clarifications, and score? Okay, now, pass papers forward by table in a count of 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, next name pass is the worksheet, the syringe, and the pen for pen. Okay, in a count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, good. And now, can I have, say next, another class? Okay, pass it forward to me. Okay, I'll have it, the 1/4 sheet of paper first. Okay, forward ka. I'll have syringe na natin start. Okay, group 5 and group 6. Okay, now, I'll collect now this, the materials for experiment. Okay, ano gusto mo? Okay, pala kung sulat mo. Sabi nito sa panto pen. Okay, group 5. Ay, hindi pass daw. Ay, sa baba. Pass, pala kung kuha. Okay, do you have any questions, clarification?
Answer.
Okay, who got 10? Okay, very good. Who got 9? Who got 8? Who got 7? Okay, very good. Okay, imagine ako perfect for today. So you deserve naman, na-clap ka nga. Okay. Sobrang Latina clap. Okay, you still remember the sobrang Latina clap? Okay, let's say together. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Sobrang Latina. Oh, apa celebration no? Latina dinero. Okay, now in class, for your assignment, okay, I will just send this one to you sa your GC. Okay? You will have that in a 1/2 crosswise na paper answer directly. Okay? And now, okay, to conclude our lesson for today, let's read this together. 1, 2, 3, go.
Science is simply the pursuit of understanding the world around us.
That's not it, boss. Okay. Now, do you have any questions, clarifications, guys?
Answer.
Okay, goodbye and thank you, Braden Forex.